Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with PayPal Payouts API to recipients, full guide step by step clearly. To start using the PayPal Payouts API, you first need to set up a PayPal developer account. Visit the PayPal developer website and sign in with your PayPal credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, select Create App to generate a new application for accessing the Payouts API. Give your app a name and associate it with your PayPal business account. After creating the app, note down your client ID and secret, as you will need these for authentication. Next, enable the Payouts API for your new application in the app settings. Now, it's time to set up your environment for making API calls. You can choose to use Postman or write code in your preferred programming language. If using Postman, import the Payouts API collection from the PayPal documentation. For coding, choose a language like Python or Node.js, and install the necessary libraries for making HTTP. With your environment set up, authenticate your requests using the client ID and secret from your app. To do this, you need to make a request to the OAuth 2.0 token endpoint for an access token. Once you receive the access token, you can use it in the header of your API requests. Now, create a Payouts request payload. This payload should include an array of recipients with details like email, amount, and currency. Once your payload is ready, send a post request to the /v1/payments/payouts endpoint. Make sure to include your access token in the authorization header. Check the response from your Payouts request to ensure it was successful. If successful, you will receive a payout batch ID that you can use for tracking. You can also use the batch ID to check the status of your payout. To do this, make a GET request to the /v1/payments/payouts/batch_ID endpoint. Finally, test your implementation with a sandbox account to verify everything works correctly before going live. After testing, you are ready to process real payouts using the PayPal Payouts API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.